Welcome to Fun with Science program. Now we are going to do one interesting demonstration. The title is Breaking the Coconut on Lady's Head. Okay, we need for this experiment a soda bottle, a coconut and a rod. The procedure is very simple. You place the soda bottle over the head, hold it. Soda bottle is placed over the head and place the coconut over the bottle. Don't shake, okay? What's your name? Joy. Joy. Be joyful. Right. Now this is the experimental setup. Soda bottle is placed over the head. Coconut is placed over the bottle. Now I have a very, very strong rod. Experiment is, if you hit the coconut, what will happen? Explain. It is like a 10-mark descriptive question. You convert into 1-mark questions. Uski for options. If you hit the coconut, option A, coconut will be broken. Option B, bottle will be broken. Option C, the head will be broken into pieces. Option D, the rod also sometimes. Okay? Right. Very interesting. Right. Now you move your hand. Okay. Now. What happened? Nothing happened to the person. What happened to the coconut?
It is broken into pieces.
That is broken into 3 pieces. Okay. What happened to the bottle?
It was not broken.
Yeah, nothing happened to the bottle. Right. Now, the question is, why the coconut alone is broken into 3 pieces? Now you apply all your physics laws. I have the coconut. How I apply it? So this is a rod, 500-gram rod. If you apply a force like this, you place over the head. It's also a force. But what I have done, I have given a very large force. A very large force acting for short time. That is called impulse. So I have applied a impulsive force, momentary force. For the momentary force, the entire energy, the kinetic energy and the momentum is completely utilized to break the coconut only. That energy or momentum has not been transmitted to the bottle. In a similar way, the energy and momentum has not been transmitted to your head. That is why nothing happened to the head. Okay, number 1, the impulsive force. Another one, the bottle is placed like this. It stands like this. It continues in its state of rest. What is the law? If you keep like this, but I applied a force, but nothing happened to the bottle. Something happened to the coconut, but nothing happened to the bottle. It continues in its state of rest. What is that law? Newton's first law. The first law is every body continues in its state of rest or of uniform motion unless it is compelled by an external force. Good. Here, who discovered this law? Originally, it was discovered by Galileo, then refined by Newton. This is Newton's first law. That is why the bottle remains in the position and nothing happened to the bottle. Okay? But we applied a large force, impulsive force, it is broken into many pieces. Okay? So there are 2 laws. One is impulse, another one is Newton's first law, law of inertia. What is inertia?
The inherent property of a body to
Super.
resist any change in its state of rest or state of uniform motion unless it is influenced by an external unbalanced force.
The inability to change its position. The inability to change by itself. Okay, that is called inertia. Right. Give a big hand to them.